Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your go-to place for easy, powerful, and beginner-friendly trading techniques. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple but very effective pocket option strategy. And the best part? You don't need any indicators at all. It's called the 6th candle price action strategy. And trust me, even if you're just starting out, you'll be able to use this like a pro. This strategy works amazingly well in all kinds of market conditions. So make sure you watch till the very end, because even missing a few seconds could mean missing a winning trade setup. But first, a quick reminder. Trading binary options carries significant financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making any trading decisions. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on new strategies, tips, and live examples that can help your trading journey. First, let me explain how to take a sell trade using this strategy. Here's what you need to look for. Spot 5 or more consecutive bearish candles forming one after the other on your chart. When this happens, it signals a strong bearish trend. Now watch carefully. If you suddenly see a bullish candle, that's your trigger. As soon as that bullish candle forms, take a sell trade on the next candle to follow the trend. Simple, right? That's the sell side of the strategy. Now let's move on to buy trades. The process is just the opposite. Look for 5 or more consecutive bullish candles forming one after the other. This indicates a strong bullish trend. As soon as you spot a bearish candle, that's your sign. Take a buy trade on the next candle to follow the trend. It's as easy as that. For this strategy, use a 1-minute chart and set the trade expiry to 1 minute. Keep it fast and focused. Risk management tips. Only risk between 1% to 5% of your account per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your total capital. Make sure you first practice this strategy using a demo account. Also, backtest it thoroughly on historical charts to better understand market conditions and boost your confidence before you risk real money. Check the description below this video for more detailed instructions and tips. Now let's jump into a live trade example so you can see this strategy in action. Keep watching. You don't want to miss this. All right, traders, let's take a closer look at this real-time sell trade setup using the strategy I just explained. As you can see on the chart, we had 5 strong red candles in a row. That tells us the market is clearly in a downtrend. Then suddenly, boom, a green candle shows up. That's our retracement signal, and just like our strategy says, we take a sell trade on the next candle to continue following the trend. Now, let me explain why this works so well. In any strong trend, whether it's up or down, the market doesn't just go in one straight line. It moves in waves. You'll see short pauses or small pullbacks before the trend continues. These are called retracements. What we're doing here is smart. We're not trading against the trend. Instead, we're waiting for the market to pull back and then jumping back into the trend once we spot that small reversal candle. This approach gives us a high probability entry point with the trend on our side. Let's look back at our trade. The green candle was the retracement, and as expected, the very next candle went bearish again, just as the trend continues. And yes, this trade closed in profit. All right, traders, here's another great example of a sell trade setup using our strategy. Take a look at this chart. We've got 11 strong red bearish candles in a row. That clearly shows a strong downtrend is in action. And then, just like we're expecting, a single green bullish candle appears. That's our signal. As per our 6th candle price action strategy, we take a sell trade on the very next candle. And that's exactly what I've done here. But let me pause here and share something really important with you. Even though this strategy is simple and powerful, no strategy wins 100% of the time. The market is unpredictable, and sometimes things won't go our way. That's just the reality of trading. Some trades will win, and some might lose, and that's totally okay. What matters most is following your rules, practicing proper risk management, and staying consistent over time. This mindset, is what separates smart traders from emotional ones. Now back to our trade. All right, traders, we lost this trade. Yes, it happens, and it's completely normal in trading. Even though the setup looked perfect and followed all our strategy rules, this time the market didn't continue in our expected direction. But this is exactly why I always say, never expect 100% accuracy with any strategy. Even the best traders in the world face losses. What matters is how you handle those losses and keep going with discipline. Let's move on to the next setup. All right, traders, we've entered a buy trade after spotting the perfect setup. 5 green candles in a row, followed by 1 red candle, just like our strategy explains. This signals a brief pullback in a strong bullish trend. And now, we've entered a buy trade on the very next candle, expecting the market to resume its upward move. Let's give it a moment and see how this one turns out. Meanwhile, here's a pro tip. Even if this setup looks easy, always start with a demo account if you're trying it for the first time. Why is that important? You get to practice in real-time market conditions without risking actual money. You'll learn how to spot the right candle formations and react calmly under pressure. And best of all, it helps you build the discipline and confidence you need before you start trading with real funds. Remember, trading is not about guessing. It's about following a system with confidence and patience. Now, let's check the result of this buy trade setup. Yes, traders, we won this trade. This is exactly how the 6th candle price action strategy works. Clean, simple, and effective. You don't need any indicators, just your eyes, discipline, and a little patience to follow the pattern. Let me know in the comments. Did you find this strategy easy to understand? Will you try it on your demo account? I'd love to hear your thoughts and results. Remember, no strategy is perfect, and every setup won't be a winner. But when you trade with discipline, manage your risk, and stay consistent, you'll slowly build confidence and skill over time. Keep learning, keep testing, and most importantly, never risk more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a like. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on upcoming strategies, live trading examples, and helpful trading content. I'll be back soon with another powerful strategy that can take your trading to the next level. Until then, trade smart, stay focused, and happy trading.